Hi there, Musar Shah here from Pakistan. This video is about the second session's uh, uh, DIY skills assignment, part of international teacher training program on Python with Pictoblox, powered by STEMpedia. So it will be better to jump into the code straight away. As you will be aware, this is the code area, this is the terminal, the screen where the result of this code is shown, will be shown, and this is the run button. So I am clicking this run button. So as you see, the table is generated up to from 1 to 20. So this code has two parts. The first part is from here. This is the first part. This will generate tables from 1 to 20. This is the title, right? I will show you the title. Okay, it will. So this is the title. This is the result of this print statement. After this print statement is executed. Now overall multiplication of tables. So in this print statement, I declared two variables, start table and end table, and assigned the values as obvious, 1 and 20. Now this is the nested loop. Two loops are there, for loops. The first loop will for this table. Which table will be displayed, and this is this is 1 1 2 2 2. So, and it is the title of every table. So this, the outer loop or the first loop, is for this one, and the inner one will, every number will run up to 10. So this is for this from 1 to 10, every table from 1 to 10. So for this, the inner loop will be used. So this print statement will print the result. It has three variables: number, I, result. The number is for the first the number of the table, and every number will be run up to 10. So, and that will be stored and used in this I variable, number and I, and the simple, straightforward, the result will be displayed, right? And the result will be the value of the result will come from this function, number multiplied by I, 1 into 1, 1 into 2, 1 into 3. So this number will be come from this for loop, and the value of this, the I, will come from this for loop, and this semicolon 2 is for the alignment, to show it in a graceful manner. Now the second part, after executing, it will automatically print or display the tables up to 20. Now here the another block of code. Here it is asking to enter a number, and the table of that respective number will be displayed. For example, I am entering 4. So here the 4, the table of the 4 is generated. So after entering, this is enter the number to create table. Here it is waiting for the input. After input, it will check it whether it is between 1 and 20. If the statement condition is true, it will run the code. So I am pressing again, entering again 3. So as you see, table of 3, it is printing again the for loop number is obvious, number which we entered this, and every number will run up to 10, and that will be used from this I variable, the multiplication function, the display of the every multiplication using this print statement. I hope you understand and find it better. Thank you.